Welcome to my channel Malaysian Science and Technology. In last class, I discussed about Dark Age. The reign between 5th century BC to 15th century is known as AD is known as Dark Age. Why? Because the people lived in more superstitions during this time period. Therefore, the time period is known as Dark Age. Now, in this video, let us learn what the origin of the religions. The so-called world-famous religions today took birth as a part of Dark Age. Why? Because the people, for suppressing the common people or innocent people, the rulers and educated people cheated these common people and they created the god or religion. For example, how does the Hinduism took birth in our India? Not only Hinduism, all the religions took part as a part of this time period that is called Dark Age. So, then what is the origin of Hindu religion? Before 5th, that is 1200 BC to 1000 BC, the Aryans invaded to India. India was situated on the river banks of Sindhu, from which India got the name Indus or India later. So, therefore, at that time, before the invasion of the Aryans, the India was situated in either both the banks of the Sindhu river. Now, the people were ruling were Dravidians or original Indians. Now, India was at that time rich in civilization by that time. So, world famous civilization at that time. So, and India was number one richest country in those days in agriculture, trade and business, industrial and navigation, etc. And it was exporting the industrial products, agriculture products, cotton, everything to the world, other countries. And it has rectangular sheets and two-story houses and underground drainage system it was using. And baked bricks were used for the construction of the houses. So then whenever the Aryans invaded to India, then there was a clash, war between the original Indians, that is Dravidians and Aryans. The Aryans were going in the night for attacking the people, these innocent people, and throughout the night, over the night, they were doing like anything. They were killing the people, innocent people. So old or young people or ladies, gents doesn't make a matter. If they were killing like anything, Mohenjo-daro means dead of mount, one of the biggest sites of Indus civilization or Harappan civilization. Wherever we dig archaeological department, so far it is going on digging. We are getting hundreds of bodies everywhere and hundreds of sites were revealed. Mohenjo-daro is one of the bigger sites, biggest city or town of the time. Now, Lothal also meaning dead of mount. So many such dead of mounts are found, hundreds of. Now, they were massacring like that. They were killing the people like that. So, but after hundreds of years, this situation was going on. The Aryans done or attacked on these people. Then afterwards, the original rulers of India, Dravidians, surrendered to the Aryans. Then Aryans said a theory: you should believe our conditions. You believe in the karma theory of karma or theory of Brahma, according to which from the from the forehead of the Brahma, Aryans, Brahmins took birth. And from the shoulders, Kshatriyas took birth. And from the stomach, Vaishyas took birth. You people are Indians, you people are Shudras who took birth from the feet of the Brahma, they said. Actually, these Aryans themselves, they divided into three upper Varnas: Arya Brahmans, Arya Kshatriyas, and Arya Vaishyas. and these original Indians were treated as Shudras. And these Shudras, they need for some rights like right of education, right of social status, and right to property, right of property, property rights. They lost property. They don't have, or Shudras don't have any property of rights, rights of property, and rights of education, right to education, right to social status. So that's why they forcefully the Shudras are made to agree this thing. Now, those who are violating these theories, this thing, and they were going into the forest. They were treated as now they are nothing but STs. And afterwards, the people, somebody, those who are violating were treated as Panchama Varna or untouchables or SCs like that. So, such a religion took birth in India. Suppose if we take this religion, this theory in consideration, whether Brahma is a god, we know that. Brahma is God. Now, then how can he give birth to the four children like Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, and Shudras? Then only we know that only female will give birth to the other people. So therefore, how can it is possible? And second thing is okay, is a male or female? Only will get the birth from only from female. So it is given here is from the Brahma, that is male. Okay. Second thing. Then how can be, even though a father or a mother is having four children, then why don't they have same equals to social rights? So this is the thing. That's why the atheists and historians or scientists won't accept this theory. So all the world famous religions took birth as such like that. So there was suppression of the common people, innocent people. For the selfishness of these people, the rich people, they created God or religion. Not only Hinduism, all the world famous religions took birth like that for suppressing the common people. Nowadays also it is ongoing. So those who believe in God or religion, any type of any kind of religion, they forget some things. They don't believe in humanity. They don't believe in history. So, and because of this thing, so much of discrimination between haves and have-nots, it is ongoing because of believing these theories. Ongoing. So much of discrimination. Social discrimination, economical discrimination, discrimination in education, medication, everywhere. All facilities. Therefore, all the world famous religions took birth as a part of this dark age. That's why the time period is called dark age. So let us, the common people, for better society, we must believe in humanity. We should not consider all this God and religion. Only if we believe only in God and religion, we lose humanity. We don't have humanity. Therefore, so just to try to understand the historical facts and scientific facts. Okay, thank you. And let us discuss few more videos in coming days. And subscribe my channel Malaysian Science and Technology, and forward to your friends and relatives. Thank you.